Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. We have taken in a lovely little Citroen Berlingo 850 Enterprise crew cab. This is a late 2022 72 plate, black metallic. It's a great little van, these. Very economical, got the 1.5 HDI engine, and this one's only covered just over 8,500 miles from new. I'll walk you around the vehicle, show you what it's all about. So as you'd expect, very nice order, this one. As usual with anything that's done a few miles, there's the odd little chipper mark that's just been touched in, but a lovely, lovely vehicle. No dents down the side there. Tyres in good condition. It's got the nice Citroen wheel trims there as well. Up high you've got the crossbars on the roof rails if you need to carry anything on there. Now this one's only had very light use. The gentleman's a semi-retired electrician who had this one. So not done any heavy work. Got a nice big stereo unit there in the vehicle. Has got rear park sensors, air conditioning and cruise control too. So it's a nice spec. In the rear you've got the second row seats, so it can seat 5 people, and it's worth noting that it's got 3 ISOFIX points as well. So if you do have young children and you want them to be secure in there, it's got the facility for that. Bulkhead just behind, which is a bit of a multi-use bulkhead. It can be moved out of the way to allow you to load longer items in, and the seats do fold down, so it's very flexible. On the back of the seats here as well, just got these little trays. Handy little thing if you've got kids in the back wanting to have a bit of a snack. This one's still under manufacturer's warranty, 3 years warranty from new, so until December 2025. As mentioned, you can see the park sensors there on the back. We'll just have a little look in the rear area. So as you can see, nice in the rear area there. The odd little scuff marks that you get just from loading stuff in, but please do remember this is a commercial vehicle, folks, so you're going to get the odd little mark inside. Nice bright light been installed up there. And again now down the driver's side, lovely and dent free. Nice shine to the black paintwork there. Set of hardware in rubber mats on the floor there. It's got electric windows and mirrors too. And the mileage today, 8,550 miles. This vehicle is still VAT qualifying, so if you're purchasing it through your business and you're VAT registered, you could reclaim some or all of the VAT. Now, I've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website at justnicevans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can provide finance facilities. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please do get in touch and have a chat with us about it. Thanks for watching.